morning, dear smarts. This is 10th class mathematics. I am so happy. Some of our children solve the problems and post to my WhatsApp number. They have done all problems perfect and correct. And so many try to solve. I am so happy. And children, here the ninth one, name the type of quadrilateral formed if any by the following points. Give reasons for your answers. Name the type of quadrilateral formed if any of the following points. Given set of points here, quadrilateral, by those points which quadrilateral formed? Is it the square or parallelogram, rectangle or rhombus? Slide. Here once we check, take like this: A, B, C, D. A -1, -2, 1, 0, -1, 2, -3, 0, -3, 0. And also diagonals. What we do? We do find the distance of sides, distance of all sides, and also the distance between the diagonals. Distance between the diagonals. Then we decide by their properties the given points form which type of quadrilateral. Okay, children. Here A -1, -2, B 1, 0, -1, 2, -3, 0, -3, 0. Now, just already you have known how to find out the distance. Distance formula. Distance of AB. AB is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute x2 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 plus 2 whole square. This is equal to 1 plus 1 2, 2 square plus 2 square, 4 plus 4. This is equal to root 8. Of course, root 8. We can write 4 root 2 also. 4 root 2. 2 root 2. 2 root 2 units. So practice makes perfection and speed. So children, catch and follow. And BC equal to root of BC -2 -1 -1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, -2 whole square plus 2 square. Again 4 plus 4, so root 8, 2 root 2 units. So again CD root -3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square, -3 plus 1 -2, -2 whole square plus -2 whole square, -2 whole square also plus 4. plus 4. So root 8. This is equal to 2 root 2 units. Next, AD. AD equal to root AD minus 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 whole square. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4. So root 8 2 root 2 units. Okay children, have you understood? So copy down. We will find AC and BD also diagonals. Copy down. Diagonals BD. BD equal to BD minus 3 0. So root of minus 3 plus 1 whole square 0 plus 2 minus 2 square plus 2 square. This is equal to 4 plus BD. BD minus 3 BD minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 0 minus 0 0 plus 0 minus 0 BD minus 3 minus 1 0 minus 0 minus 4 whole square plus 0 square minus 4 whole square 16 plus 0 square 0 4 units. Next, AC equal to AC minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 whole square 2 plus 2 whole square 0 square plus 4 square 16 4 units. Here in the sum all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD equal to 2 root 2 units, and diagonals, these are sides, diagonals BD equal to AC equal to BD, AC equal to BD equal to 4 units. Therefore, given vertices form By these properties, all sides are equal, diagonals are also equal, form a square. Form a square. Form a square. Copy down. For HW, in textbook page number 168, second and third, you will find second -3, 5, 1, 10, 3, 1, -1, -4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. So find it yourself. Find the sides, all sides. If the all sides are equal, diagonals are equal, it's a square. If opposite sides are equal, opposite sides, diagonals are not equal, it's a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal, and diagonals are also equal, it's a rectangle. And also rhombus, all sides are equal, the midpoints are equal, it's a rhombus. Okay children? Or diagonals are not equal. In a rhombus, diagonals are not equal. Diagonals. Next. This is 10th sum. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. For example, it's a small x dash, y dash. -2, 5. 2, 5 means x2, y minus 5. x2, y minus 5. For example, 2 minus 2, or 2 minus 5, plus 2 minus 5, plus 2 minus 5. This is, for example, plus 2 minus 5. Minus 5, like this area. And -2, 9, x minus 2, -2, 9, -2 plus 9, this area, -2, 9, -2, 9. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 5. X-axis, equidistance. Let the point be, x-axis point means y0. On x-axis, y equal to 0. Therefore, let point on x-axis be x0. X-axis be x0. So what is given? The point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and be px0. Given A. This is A, it is B. A 2 -5, minus 2, 9. Equidistance, according to the problem, according to the sum, equidistance means PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. What is distance formula? Distance formula. So root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. PA minus PA equal to PB. PA. P what? x0. PA. Here P equal to x0. PA. PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB. Find PA. PA x2 x minus 2 whole square plus 0 plus 5 whole square equal to PB. PB x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. X minus 2 whole square plus 5 square. X plus 2 whole square plus minus 9 whole square. Copy down, children. I will continue. Plus 4 plus 25 equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 36. X square cancel, plus 4 cancel, minus 4x minus 4x minus 4x equal to 36 minus 25, minus 8x equal to 36 minus 25, 11, x equal to minus 8 by minus 11 by 8, x equal to minus 11 by 8. The children, come back once. Here 9 square 81, so 81, just mistaken, 81. This is 81 minus 4x equal to 81 minus 25. Here subtract 6, 5. Minus 8x equal to 56, x equal to 56 by 8 minus 7 8s are x equal to minus 7, x equal to minus 7. Therefore, required point is minus 7 0. Minus 7 0. Copy down. sum. Observe carefully. Find the values of y for which the distance between the points P, Q is 10 units. Distance between two points is given. So we will find the y value. Given points P 2 minus 3, Q 10y. Distance between PQ. Between PQ equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 10 given. Substitute x2 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 10. Now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Ten minus 2, 8 square. 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 10 square. 64, 88 is 64, y plus 3, y square plus 6y plus 9 equal to 100. Y square plus 6y, y square plus 6y, 64 plus 9, 64 plus 9 73. Y square plus 6y plus 73 minus 100 equal to 0. Y square plus 6y minus 73 minus 100. Here minus 27. Minus 27 equal to 0. Now find the roots. Already you know how to find. Minus 27 y square plus 6y. Y square plus 9y minus 3y. 3 9s are minus 27, minus 9 plus 9 minus 3 plus 6 minus 27 equal to 0. Y plus 9 minus 3 common, y plus 9. Y plus 9 common, y minus 3. Y plus 9 equal to 0 or y minus 3 equal to 0. Y equal minus 9 or y equal to 3. Y equal minus 9 or y equal to 3. So confidentially practice all these what I said in this class, and also I have given for HW in 9th some 2nd and 3rd, and also find, try to solve 11 and 13 also. Okay, bye. రేపు చేద్దామా?